Hey, what's up everybody? Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today I'd like to show you a quick and easy way to pull out your O-rings in the back of your Winnebago Revel, and that way you can replace them with these studs. And the reason that we use these studs is now we can bolt down our garage slide out decks. That's what's going to give it the support to be able to hold all that weight. And then also any of our GLSS garage systems that go back here, if you don't want to use the turnbuckles to lock things in, you can go ahead and just mount it directly with the studs. So super easy. We've been using this for a few years now, and it's very solid. So today I'm going to show you how to do it and how to do it the easy way so you're not struggling. All right, so let's start right here. First thing you're going to do is pop these little plastic pieces off. Then what we want to do, I like to use 2 flathead screwdrivers, and then I want to lift up, and I can't get my fingers in there to lift up, it's just too hard, so I just come in here and kind of lift up, and then I can kind of turn them. Once I turn it like that, super easy, just kind of get it out of the way. Now I can come in here and unscrew one of these screws. So I'll take this out just like that, and then now I'm able to slide this right off and out. So it makes it just super easy. And then what I'll do is, because you'll see if you look in here, Winnebago doesn't screw these in all the way. So if you don't pop these screws out, it's really hard to be able to take this out of that little L-track system. The other thing is I'd like to tighten that back up once the other screw gets in. So here's the studs that we provide. You're going to take these 2 nuts off in the washer. We're going to slide this right in here like so, right in the middle. Now I'm going to have to screw this one down a little bit because it's sticking up. They didn't screw it all the way in. That's kind of blocking from centering that, so I can go actually a little more. There we go. Now I can get that centered right in there. And then now I'll take the other one and I'll put that right back into the same hole. Don't over tighten them. You don't want to snap those screws. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to drop this down on top just like that, and then our washer. And then you have 2 nuts. You have the locking nut, which we're not going to use. We're going to use this one with the flange. And I just hand tighten that. If you'd like, you can go ahead and tighten it down with a socket, but just a hand tighten, that's all I'm worried about. Okay, and then that's it. And then when you're going to mount our stuff, we give you a washer. That'll slide over, whatever, because we have a brace underneath our products or L-track, and then you would do the brace and then the washer and then the nut over there and then bolt it all down. So super simple. You're not struggling with anything because you don't have a whole lot of room to work with these holes. Super simple. If you have any questions, give us a call, email us, call us at the office. Somebody can walk you through. We can FaceTime you if you need to as well. But that's it. If you like this content, hit the like button below, subscribe to our stuff, and we'll continue to put out informative product installs for the Winnebago Revel, the Jaycos, the Storytellers, etc. So see you on the next one.